All right, let's do this. So there was a movie in 1986 called Labyrinth starring David Bowie and Jennifer Connelly. Pretty good movie. It's kind of the start of like a dark fantasy genre, I feel like. Or it was one of the iconic dark fantasy genre. Anyways, don't worry about that. In the movie, Jennifer Connelly was approached these two guards here. Like, this is a guard, this is a guard. One can only tell truths and one can only tell lies. One guards the castle, or treasure in this case, and one guards certain doom. Okay. So you can only ask one question to one of them, and the puzzle, I suppose, is like, what question do you ask them? Jennifer Connelly actually did solve this problem in the movie. It was very impressive. But yeah, there was a plot twist, though. It's kind of unfortunate. But it seems kind of complicated. But if you just map out each scenario of what happens, the answer kind of like reveals itself. So let's map that out. Scenario number 1. The person on the left is guarding the money. The person on the right is guarding certain doom. So the question I'm going to ask the person on the left, would the person on the right say that you, with this person, you, are guarding money? So I'm asking the person on the left, would the person on the right say that you're guarding money? So the person on the left is pretending to be the person on the right, who's a person who's a liar regarding money. And this person would say, no, you're not guarding money, because they're a liar, right? The person on the right would not, because they are a liar, right? So from there you can infer that yes, like, yeah, that this is the money. Okay, scenario 1B. I'm going to ask the person on the right this time, who is a liar, would the person on the left say that they are guarding money? So I'm asking the liar in this case, would the person on the left, who can only tell truths, are they guarding money? So the person on the right is pretending to be the person on the left this time. But like, it's more direct, because like, this person is directly the liar, right? So I'm asking the liar, like, is this person guarding money? And he'll obviously tell me like, no, right? Because this person is a liar. They would say like, no, you're not guarding money, but even though you are, right? So like, no, the person on the left would not, because the person on the right is a liar. Okay, so both cases, person on the right is a liar, person on the right is a liar, right? From the asking. Okay, scenario number 2. Person on the left is guarding certain doom, person on the right is guarding money, but I'm going to ask the same question. I'm going to ask person on the left, who can only tell truths, hey, is the person on the right, would they say that you, the person on the left, are guarding money? Would this person say that you're guarding money? And the answer is yes. Yes, they would. Because the person on the right would, because they're a liar, right? The person on the right would say, yeah, you're guarding money, even though, you're not, because this person is a liar. Right, okay. Let's go to number 2B. I'm going to ask the person on the right, hey, would the person on the left say that they're guarding money? Yeah, again, yes, they would. The person on the right, who is a liar, would say that, yes, the person on the left is guarding money. The reason is because, right, like, the person on the right is a liar. I'm asking, hey, would this person say that they're guarding money? They would, but like, I'm asking the liar, so it's flipped. So they would say yes. So yes, they would. So in each case, the way you like ask the question makes it so that every time the person on the right is a liar. So in every case, every question, it kind of makes it like the opposite. Like, hey, is this person guarding money? Yes. Oh, okay, cool. That means that they're not. Hey, is this person guarding money? No. Okay, cool. That means that they are, right? Does that make sense? Because of the way you ask the question, they're like, you're turning every scenario where the person on the right is, in fact, lying. In the movie, Jennifer Connelly unfortunately didn't consider the case in which like they're both lying, and that was like the plot twist, kind of unfortunate and honestly not fair. But I guess that's how it is sometimes.